After 50, your body goes one of two ways, decline or renewal. Which path you take depends on what you do every single day. You don't need hours in the gym or fancy equipment to stay strong and energized. Just one simple move, really just one, can reshape your body, fire up your energy, and make you feel younger. Sounds too easy. That's exactly why most people overlook it. We're talking about squats. They're not just a leg exercise, they're a full body upgrade. Squats hit your quads, glutes, and core all at once, and even help improve posture and coordination. And here's the kicker. As we age, the biggest muscle loss usually happens in our legs. That's why many older adults start to feel weaker, move slower, or struggle with stairs. But squats flip that script. They rebuild lower body strength, restore stability, and drastically reduce the risk of falls, which is one of the most dangerous things that can happen as we get older. Moreover, studies show squats naturally trigger growth hormone release that helps with fat burning, muscle maintenance, and slowing down age-related decline. And what makes squats truly special? They boost circulation, both blood and lymph flow. And that's huge after 50, because your body's recovery and detox systems slow down with age. Squats literally help your body clear out waste, reduce inflammation, and deliver fresh nutrients to your joints and tissues. That means less stiffness, better mobility, and more energy throughout the day. Imagine being able to crouch down and tie your shoes without pain, or play with your grandkids without worrying about your knees. That's what squats can unlock, with just a little consistency. So, how to get started? Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Practice this every day, even just a few reps. Because when you stay consistent, your body responds fast. And you'll feel the difference in just a few weeks. Looking for more ways to stay strong, flexible, and youthful? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Your journey to better health starts right now.